Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Here is 2015 Chevy Suburban. Computer location and the computer connector. This car here have a connector. They have like a blue connector here. The wiring side also is a blue, and the connector also is blue, and here is gray. So if you want to take it out, be sure that when you want to put it in, you have the color that corresponding to the connector. And when it go inside, you're gonna feel like this is gonna move. So try to push it, help it, and push it down good. Okay. Then you're gonna hear the click. Be sure that it click in and secure it. The same thing here also. Go for this. Okay, go inside. Then anytime you move it, don't depend on pushing only the bracket. Try to move it. Okay, and then push it in to secure, not to jump again. Now to put it back, try to come this way, all the way inside. You see, put the bottom one first, and then just push it in. If the bottom one doesn't go inside correctly, yes, that's it. Be sure all the wires are good and everything is correct, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is for most of the GM cars, some of them under the fender, but this is where the location and how you take it out.